Hello world, it's Leo here again, and today we have another question to be answered. And this is probably one of the most popular questions I get on all time. Now, when I go to these communities and I talk to these elder people about computers and everything, the one thing that always comes up is the internet. They always ask, what is the internet? Now, there's many ways to answer that question, but I have my own phrase or my own meaning of the internet. Now, the way I explain it to my students is this way. The internet is like a huge library of information for you to access, and pretty much for free. Everything's free on the internet these days. So the main problem is they do not know how to get on the internet and what options they have. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about getting on the internet and pretty much what options you have. All right, on an iPad, once you're logged in, you are going to need an app to get on the internet. So with iPads, Apple has you all set up already out of the box to get online. What that means is they have an app pre-installed on the device for you to access the internet. The app that they manufacture themselves is called Safari, and that's what I'll be showing you today. So once you're on your home screen, you gotta look for this app that looks like a compass. It's got like a little blue circle in the middle and some compass handles or whatever you want to call them. Once you find that, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on it and it brings you right to the internet. Now, I have my iPad set up for Safari to bring you straight to Google because Google is the most visited website in the world. And it's something that I can guarantee you will be using a lot if you decide to get an iPad or start doing online things. So now, let's go back again so you can see it one more time from the home screen. All you have to do is find the app that gets you online. In this case, it'll be Safari. This takes you right to Google, and from here, you get a search bar on top where you can search for websites directly, so you can go straight to a website that you already know, or you can go on the search bar here in the middle and you can just search for any relevant things. For example, like holiday, holiday, and then you can just get all the information that Google has on holiday. Here it's giving us Holiday Inn because I guess that's the most common thing people are searching for or whatever. But now, the second thing I'm going to show you about the internet is the fact that not only on iPads but any other computer device, there's not just one way to go on the internet, there's multiple ways. The way that we prefer the most for our program is using Google's very own web browser, which they call Chrome. So pretty much it's the same thing as Safari, it just has different features. So for example, if I go here to my side apps and I find Chrome, it's going to take you straight to Google also because the internet is one place. There's just different ways to access it. Alright, so that concludes another one of our simple iPad tutorials. Stay tuned if you want to see more content like this. And if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe, and we'll be in touch.